Hey, what's up guys? Focus Detail here. Today, we'll be detailing this Ford Mustang, getting it ready for sale. Let's take a look at what we're working with. We'll start underneath the hood, making sure the engine is cool first. Using a detail brush, all-purpose cleaner, a steamer, and a vacuum for small crevices, we'll carefully clean the engine bay to remove built-up grime and dust. Now we'll use a blower to dry the engine bay safely. Next, we'll remove the floor mats and set them aside for later. Then we'll rinse down the door jambs to get rid of any dirt and buildup. Now it's time for a pre-wash rinse. This helps remove loose dirt from the exterior before we start the contact wash. Then we'll move on to the wheels, getting to the tires, rims, and wheel wells. Next, we'll foam up the exterior, coating the car with a pH balanced soap. Now, we'll grab a detail brush and get into those little tight spots around the emblems, trim, and gas cap area. liner wash, we'll use a gentle side-to-side motion. Once we're done with the wash, we'll rinse all the soap and residue off. Now we use a clay bar to decontaminate the paint to eliminate surface contaminants and restore a smooth and clean finish. We'll then dry the vehicle with soft microfiber towels and air. Now it's time to deep clean the floor mats. We'll pressure wash them to make sure all the dirt and stains are completely gone. Moving towards the interior, we'll start with a thorough vacuum. Next, we'll do a complete interior wipe down. Then double back into the floor mats with a silicone-free rubber cleaner to leave a matte black finish. Now we'll dress the tires. We'll apply ceramic detail spray to the paint, adding protection and a high gloss shine. Now to take photos and videos to post to sell. Now this car is ready for its new owner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.